Hello everyone, welcome back to Current Gyan. Today we are going to continue our lecture. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about the cultural life of Nepal. So let us begin the chapter. So I'll read this. Nepal has been the residence of the Nepalese peoples of different religions since the ancient time. Hindu and Buddhist religions have been major religions in Nepal. Apart from these, there are other religions groups including Islam, Christian, Kirat, Baha'i and Sikh have also been enjoying the equal freedom. The communities like Saiba, Vaishnav, Shakti, Surya, etc. fall under the Hindu religion, whereas Hinayan, Mahayan, Vajrayan, Tantra, Mahatantrayan, Sahaj, Sajayan, and Bhopum and Lama communities fall under the Buddhist religions. Different sects and subsects have been developed in these religions. There are also been the tradition of worshipping the natures and ancestor and divine power in the Nepal. There have been faith and belief in the Masto in the western Nepal and in Chandi or Devi in the eastern Nepal and Sansari Ma in the Tarai region and in Hindu in mountain regions. So the Nepal is the country of multi-ethnic, multilingual, multi-religious and multicultural characteristics. Unity in the cultural diversity is found here. There have been unique unity among the diverse cultures since the ancient time. Exchange of cultural relations is found here as a result of the adoption of principle of cultural pluralisms. It can be proudly be said that the Nepal is a country with a common developed culture. So let us discuss about the major feast and festival observed in Nepal. People of the different races and ethnicities, people speaking different language and group, people following different religions live in the Nepal. So the Nepal for different race and ethnicities and the followers of different religions have diversity in their tradition and the way of living. Major feast and festival celebrated in Nepal has been described below. First is Gode Jatra, the horse festivals. So you can see here, Koti Jatra is celebrated in the Kathmandu Valley on the no moon day of Chaitra or on the 14th day of a dark half of the Chaitra or in the Pichas Chautardasi when Pancha or Pasasane is celebrated in the Kathmandu Valley or on the day of Mitra Chaturdasi is celebrated or on the day of Mahadhodho is worshipped here. Horse racing ceremony is organized at Tudikil, Kathmandu on this day. The horse is regarded as the symbol of discipline, power and speed. So the next one is the Gai Jatra, that is the cow festivals. This festival is celebrated for the 7 days starting from the other day of Janai Purnima or the first day of dark half of the Bhadol. There have been the hair and there has been the hair say the King Pratap Malla organized the Gai Jatra for the first time to please his bereaved queen following the death of their son. Chakrabatendra Malla and the festival took place away the sorrow that the queen had. Khadga Jatra, Ropai Jatra, Lakhe Nach, Saat Darshan, Khyali, Lokan Lok Nritya, the Bali Nritya drama and are demonstrated during these festivals. There have been common belief that there would be no fear from Lakhe, Khyali, ghost and evil spirits and from the serpent after the Kishanganj Jatra had been organized on the birthday of Lord Krishna and Lord Krishna killed the demon, ghost and evil spirit etc. The next one is Dasai. It has been assumed that the festivals have been the name Dasai as it celebrated for the 10 days starting from the first day of bright half of the Aswaj or Dasmi has been the greater importance. The festivals is celebrated as a national festival of the Nepal. Blessing from the respected people, the Tika on the forward, Jamara on the ear and other hair various types of garlands around the neck from the Dasai festivals. Different festivals like worshipping of different manifestations of God of the 9 days, Fulapati festivals, etc. are done during this festival. The next one is Mahasivaratri. Mahasivaratri falls on the 14th day of the dark half of the Fagun every year. Devotees in large number gather in the Pasupati temple of the Kathmandu and other celebrate temples of the Lord Shiva on this day. The Army Day is also celebrated on the Mahasivaratri in Nepal. The next one is Tej. Tej is celebrated as the special festival in Nepali Oman. So the festival falls on the third day of dark half of the Bhado. This festival is celebrated on of the Hindu Oman. On this day, the Oman go on fasting. There has been tradition that the Oman fast for getting the husband for their wish of their husbands for long life and for their husbands long life. The next is Buddha Jayanti. Buddha was born on the full moon of the Baisakh in 563 BC. He attained the enlightenment the same day later, and he attained the nirvana on the same day later on 483 BC. So the full moon day of the Baishakh is celebrated as a Buddha Jayanti throughout the country. People gather in the large number in the Buddhanath, Gumba and monasteries on the same day. The next one is Tihar, celebrated for the 5 days starting from the 13th dark of the half of the Kartik. The festival is of affection of a good and wishes between the brother and sister. The incident when the Amaraja, the god of death, went to his sister Yamuna, home of these five days, and Yamuna served and worship him. This has been associated with this, and thus this is called Yama Panchak. In this festival, cows, dogs, Lakshmi, crows are worshipped. The brothers are worshipped on the last day. On this day, the sisters pray for their brothers' happiness, prosperity, and long life. Put tika on their forehead and feed sweets. The people enjoy by singing Vailo Deusi on these occasions. So, with this, we'll end this lecture. In next lecture, we'll discuss more festivals which is celebrated in our country. Jai Nepal.